Now that we learned how to be in upload mode, we can upload our code. Open up Arduino and you will see void setup and void loop. First of all, ensure that we selected the right board and port. It should be located on the bottom right of your Arduino window, like so, and COM port is shown. CoDrone board is Rokit Smart Inventor Mega 32 V2. To select the correct board, go to Tools, Board, and then scroll down a bit, and then go to Rokit Smart Inventor Mega 32 V2, not V1, V2. Then make sure your port is correct. Tools, port, and then COM whatever. It usually should be the only port that should be coming up. After you check that it's correct, the upload button should be located on the top right of the Arduino window, which has a right arrow sign. It should say done uploading if the upload was successful. If not, it should be red and saying error something blah blah blah. Also, remember to put DIP switch 1 to off and the others to on to run the code. Otherwise, it will keep on being on the upload mode and it won't be able to run the code.